Let's take a look at the knowledge areas and process areas that the PMI defines for the project management process. There are 9 knowledge areas: project integration management, project scope management, project time management, project cost management, project quality management, project human resource management, project communication management, project risk management, and project procurement management. Each one of these knowledge areas has specific tasks associated with it. For example, if we look at the project integration management knowledge area, you can see that developing the project charter, develop the project management plan, direct and manage project execution, monitor and control project work, perform integrated change control, close project or phase are the tasks associated with this knowledge area. So project integration management ensures that the various elements of the project are properly coordinated. Project scope management ensures that this is very important because you're being paid to complete certain tasks, and anything you do outside of that could cost more money and could also jeopardize the schedule in the contract that you're working. Project time management ensures timely completion of the product. Project cost management ensures that the project is completed within the approved budget. This is also another very important knowledge area. How you manage cost is one of the project manager's most important tasks. And this is a task that you can help with. We'll talk more about that later. Project quality management. This ensures that the project will satisfy the needs for which it was undertaken. Human resource management ensures the most effective use of the project team members. You need the right people with the right skills to complete all the tasks of the project and meet the objectives with high quality. Project communication management. This ensures timely and appropriate generation, collection, dissemination, storage, retrieval, and ultimate disposition of all project information. Communication on a project is extremely important. Everyone needs to understand the status, successes, failures, and changes. All of these things need to be reported so that everyone understands the scope of work, the costs involved, and how they are supposed to do their job. Project risk management identifies, analyzes, and determines a response to mitigate those risks. I probably rate this area as second most important. And it's the least used, least understood, and executed very poorly. This is another area where you can help the project manager. I can't tell you how many times I've had risk management meetings where we sit down with the team to develop the risks and what we're going to do about them. And I get the deer in the headlights look that says, we don't know what you're talking about. When that happens, the project manager is forced to come up with all the risks and all the mitigation steps. The project manager must then get the team's buy-in and present this to management. What takes place later, when things don't go as planned, the team pushes back and says they didn't really come up with that risk. About all these knowledge areas, it's like I said in the beginning, a project manager has to rely on his team of experts to perform these functions. Now, a project manager must understand how to facilitate and bring best practices to these knowledge areas, but it's really up to the rest of the team to help with the execution of the processes. Next, we will look at the project management process.